Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. I believe you're doing really well. This is the third part, which is last part of the story that we have been reading for last two videos. So let us see. وفي المساء in the evening أمر ordered أوس ordered بإعداد to prepare منزل to prepare the house للعروسين for the newlywed couple to decorate a house for the newlywed couple. And then after decoration, after preparing the house, after preparing the room, Zufat sent or escorted Buhaisa. Buhaisa was escorted or sent ila zawjiha to her husband. ثم then رأى he saw. Who saw? His husband Aus. Haris ibn Aus saw Jamalaha, her beauty. Jamalaha, her beauty. فأعجب بها. He was surprised, amazed by seeing her beauty. أعجب يعجب means he liked. Okay, he was amazed by seeing her beauty. وحاول الاقتراب. Then he tried to get closer. حاول means tried. اقتراب means what? اقتراب means get closer. He tried to get closer to her. فقالت له. Then she told him, okay, اعلم, try to understand. Wait, try to understand under that. هذا, this, لن يكون, it will never be happened. Okay, when he tried to approach, then she stopped him. Then she told him, اعلم, try to understand, no, أن that, هذا لن يكون, it will never be happen, بين أهلي وعشيرتي, in my family, and ashirati, in my tribe. That means as long as I am with my family members and with my tribe, you will not be able to approach to me. All right, don't try to get closer to me. I'm a bit shy. All right. Then she said, "Aya Sudroka, it will make you happy, it will please you, and tafkhura, that you will be proud, bi annaka, by annaka dakhalta, that you will approach to me, you will embrace me, you will get closer to me when I am still with my ahli and wa ikhwati, with my brothers and sisters. Will you make you happy, or will you be proud that you are you will get closer to me, you will embrace me, you will intimate with me when I'm still with my family members and my sisters? I think it will not make you happy, right? Then وفي الصباح الباكر, they didn't do anything. Then وفي الصباح الباكر, in the very early morning next day. صباح means morning, bakir means very early. كان الركب, the caravan, caraven, the caravan was crossing. يقطع الصحراء, the caravan was crossing the what? Desert, right? They already went down. I mean, they got out from the house. Bihawdaj, how they were crossing the desert. Bihawdaj al arus, with the bride's howdah, with the bride's howdah. Let me show you what is howdah. Howdah is yeah, this is howdah. You understand? The howdah was sitting either on the elephant's back or horseback. You understand? So this is howdah. So what we are going to do, then we have to go back to our lesson. Okay, yes. So that was the howdah, and yeah. So كان الركب, the caravan was crossing the desert. بهودج العروس, with the howdah of the bride. متجهان, the howdah was approaching. إلى ديار زوجها, to the land of her husband, to the home of her husband, or that means to the house of Haris ibn Auf. Finally, ووصلت القافلة أخيرا, the caravan reached. واستقبلها شباب القبيلة, and the young people from the tribe, استقبلها, received them warmly. استقبل means receiving. شباب means young people. قبيلة means tribe. يلوحون, how they receive them. لوح يلوح, by waving سيوف, by waving the swords. This is how at that time they used to receive guests. They used to receive new people to their land, to their house. لوح يلوح من باب التفعيل. سيوف means swords. سيف singular, سيوف plural. And they also did يرددون أغاني. They started singing song الفرح. They started singing the joyful song, right? Happy song. وسهر الحي بفتيانه وفتياته. The whole area, the whole Arab land was awake. They did not sleep. Sahira means they was awake. They were awake. بفتيانه, with his young people, young men and young women. All young men and young women were awake because they were all having fun. حتى even شيوخه أيضا. That means elderly people were also awake at that night. وأطفاله, and the children were also awake. ابتهاجا, happily, بالعروسين, for the newlywed couple. Alright, it was really happy moment for all the people in the Arab land of Haris ibn Auf. انتهت السهرة, the night was over. The night gathering was over. وتوجه, or the night party will not be suitable here. Night gathering was over. توجه العروسان, then the two, bride and groom, I mean newlywed couple, approached, went to their home, to their house. وأقبل الحارث, then Haris wanted to, wanted to approach to على عروسه, wanted to approach to his wife. But again at that time فقالت, she said, فقد سمعت عنك كثيرا. عن سمعت means I heard. عنك, about you, كثيرا, a lot. I heard about you a lot. من مواقف المروءة, about your bravery. Okay, B-R-A-V-E-R-Y, you are very brave. I heard about that. من مواقف, that means the condition of your bravery. والشرف, and I also heard about your dignity, nobility. All right, dignity, D-I-G-N-I-T-Y. مما, from there. تمنيت, I hoped. معه, with that. I hope that an akuna, I will be. Akuna means I will be. Sharikat, I will be partner, a partner. Hayat, I'll be your partner. Sharikat hayatik means I'll be your partner, life partner. ولكنك, but there's a problem. There are some problems. The problems are تجلس مع النساء, you sit down with women. والعرب, and والعرب تقتل بعضها بعضا, and another problem is the Arab people fight each other. تقتل, that means fight each other. بعضها بعضا means each other. By fighting, she meant here, تقصد means she meant here, بذلك, with that fighting. حرب قبيلتي, fighting of two tribes, Abs and Dubyan. That means at that time there was a fight going on between two tribes, Abs and Dubyan. By by taqatulu means here she meant the fight between Abs and Dubyan that was going on at that time. So there's a problem. One problem is you sit down with women and fight each other. Arab people fight each other. So she asked, "Ala yuz'ajuka saylu dima'i?" This bloodshed does not disturb you, does not irritate you, does not make you sad. Waitumul atfal, that people are getting orphaned, people are becoming orphaned. This does not make you unhappy. وَخَرَابُ الدِّيَارِ, and the home and house, all the things are getting destroyed. Kharab means destroyed. Diyar means homes, lands, house are getting disturbed, destroyed. These things are not making you unhappy as a leader. وَضَيَاعُ الْمَالِ, and all the assets, all the wealth are losing its dignity, means the loss of money, the loss of wealth, the loss of lands. These things are not making you unhappy, O chief of Arab. Then he said, what he said, قال لها, then he said to her, وَمَاذا يَهُمُّكِ أَنْتِ مِنْ أَمْرِ الْحَرَبِ, why do you care? Why are you caring about it? Anti, why are you caring? Min amril harab, about the wars matter? Why do you care about war? Don't care about it. فنظرت إليه قائلة. Then she told what she told. أنت تقول ذلك يا سيد العرب. Oh chief of letter, you are telling this? I should not care about it. وعندك المال الكثير الذي تستطيع به. You do have lots of money. المال الكثير عندك, you have. الذي تستطيع به, by that money أن تصلح, you are able to what? You are able to solve the issues بين الإخوة, among the brothers. The money that you do have, by this money you are able to solve the issues, isn't it? تصلح means reconcile the issues. That means, O chief of leader, O chief of Arab or leader of Arab, أنت تقول ذلك يا سيد العرب. You are telling this. I should not care about it. You do have lots of money. I know that الذي تستطيع به, with that money. به means with that money. مال كثير تستطيع, you are able. With that money you are able to reconcile, solve the issues بين الإخوة, among brothers. حينئذ, if you are able to do that, حينئذ, at that time, سأفخر بأنني, at that time I'll be proud of you. At that time I will be proud of you. Right? Okay. I'll be proud of you that تزوجت حقا, I truly married a Arabian leader. If you are able to solve the issues by your money or anyhow, then حينئذ, at that time, سأفخر, I will be proud بأنني, that تزوجت, I married, حقا, truly, really, من سيد العرب, a an Arabian leader. ثم, by saying this, finally, أجهشت بالبكاء, she burst into cry. Okay, she started crying heavily. She burst into cry. بالبكاء, أجهشت is burst into cry. After that, وفي صباح اليوم التالي, in the morning next day. وفي الصباح اليوم التالي means in the morning next day. صباح means morning, يوم means day, تالي means next. The following day, in the morning, كان الحارث, حارث ibn Auf, ومعه, with him, عدد, some من زعماء القبائل, some of the leaders of tribes, some of the tribe leaders. Haris and some of the tribe leaders, متوجهين, they started moving, or they started heading, they are approaching إلى ديار القبيلتين, to the two tribes. Diyar means land, to the two lands of two tribes. إلى ديار means lands of two tribes. قبيلتين المتحاربتين, the tribes that were fighting at that time. Haris ibn Auf and some of the leaders of some tribes, they started going to the lands of the two tribes, those who are fighting, to solve their issues, right? So what are the two tribes that were fighting? These are Abs and Tubian. They were fighting at that time. So yeah, and after going there, what they did, ودفع الحارث, Haris gave من ماله الكثير, a lot of his money. وتم الصلح, and this problem was solved. تم means done, over. صلح means the issues, the issues was solved. Okay, the problem was solved. بين القبيلتين, among the two tribes, between the two tribes, the problem was solved, the issue was solved. وبارك الجميع, everyone blessed, everyone praised, everyone said that that was a very good initiative. وبارك الجميع, everyone blessed هذه الخطوة, this step. هذه means this, خطوة means this step of Haris ibn Auf, لسيد العرب الحارث ibn Auf. All right, everyone blessed the step that he took, this step that Sayyid al-Arab, the Arabian chief Haris ibn Auf took. Okay, everyone praised this step. وحينما, when, عاد الحارث, after solving the issue by giving money, when he returned, عاد الحارث, when he came back, إلى منزله, to his home, كانت الأنباء. So when he was home, when Haris ibn Auf was home, كانت الأنباء قد سبقته إلى عروسه. Sorry, all right. Where have I been? Is a problem here with the screen? Okay. So when he came back home إلى منزله كانت الأنباء, the news قد سبقته, had already reached to his wife. أنباء means the news, the information. قد سبقته, already reached, إلى, to, عروسي, to his wife. That means, Buhaisa already knew that his husband, the Arabian leader Haris ibn Auf, already solved the issue between the two tribes that were fighting. All right. So Haris ibn Auf listened to the suggestion of his wife. التي that شعرت بأن, then she started feeling, that means Buhaisa started thinking that بأنها, that فعلت, she did شيئا, something, she did something أسعدها, that made her happy. أسعد means making someone happy. أسعدها, made her happy. وأسعد الآخرين, and that made others happy. That means when she heard about the news, التي شعرت, then she started feeling, she felt that فعلت, she did something, شيئا, did something أسعدها, that made her happy. وأسعد الآخرين, and make other people happy, made others happy. And after that, فأخذت تردد, she started. أخذت means here started. أخذت has another meaning, which is taking, right? So فأخذت, she started, تردد, she started singing, أغنية سعيدة, she started singing a happy song, all right, a joyful song. مرحة, okay, a joyful song, a happy song, all right, she was really happy. وبينما, and when كان يضمها, and then كان يضمها, he started embracing her into his heart, right, into his chest. And then when she started singing, وبينما, at that time كان يضمها, he was what, he was embracing her, he was taking her into his chest, إلى صدره, to his chest. صدر means chest. Then he asked, Haris ibn Auf asked to his wife, هل هناك شيء آخر? Is there anything that you want to say? I did everything the way you said. All right, I'll solve the issue. All right, calmly. I solved the issue very smartly. Do you have anything more to ask? Do you have anything to say? هل هناك شيء آخر? Is there anything that you want to say? All right. Can I approach to you now? That's what he wants to ask. فقالت, that she said, من حقي, now this is my right, اليوم, today. من حقي means this is my right, اليوم, today, أن أفخر بك, I will be proud of you. All right. Today, this is my right to be happy. Okay. وقد رأيت السلام, I saw that salam means peace, P-E-A-C-E. رأيت, I saw, I witnessed, salam يعود, salam came back, peace came back, إلى أحياء العرب, to the Arabian lands, today. Peace arrived, peace came back, min jadidin, again. Min jadidin means newly or again. Today I saw that the peace came back again to the Arabian lands. All right, ala yadayk, by your hands, through your hands, O Arabian leader, by your hands, you brought the happiness, you brought the peace again to the Arabian lands by your hands. وَأَجَابَهَا, then he replied, no, بَلْ عَلَى يَدَيْكَ, rather by your hands, O Buhaisa. Bal, rather your hands, Anti ya Buhaisa, O Buhaisa, you brought the happiness, you brought the peace to the Arabian lands. So yeah, that was the story. It took 3 videos to finish. I'm sorry that I prolonged to upload the videos because I was a bit busy. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.